Jamaica's Dalton Harris is the new winner of the popular talent show X Factor UK. Harris, the 2010 winner of television Jamaica's Digicel Rising Stars, won the top prize this afternoon over two other competitors, the UK's Scarlett Lee and Anthony Russell. Here's a recap of the announcement.
The winner of the X Factor 2018 is Dalton. Dalton, congratulations. Get in. How you feeling?
Oh! You just won the X Factor.
I just won the X Factor.
Yeah.
Louis, what do you want to say to this guy? Because there's no use talking to him right now.
Honestly, he's been such a pleasure to work with and a true professional and a real winner throughout this. So I'm so proud of him. Scarlett, you did absolutely unbelievable as well.
I really think what you two have done together is incredible. You have my absolute respect.
The winner of the X Factor is awarded a £1 million recording contract with Psycho Music in association with Sony Music. The deal consists of a cash advance of £150,000 with a balance covering the costs of recording and marketing. Dalton Harris is the second Jamaican to win an international talent competition after Tessanne Chin, who won The Voice in the United States in 2013. And Jamaicans have been celebrating Dalton's achievement.
Congratulations. This is a great move for Jamaica at a time like this. You know, we have so many good artists. I really am very happy.
People hooray! Me happy same when it got through a lot of challenges, but at least him never give up. And that's what I like about him. He holding composure and him doing best.
I know he was right win. Reason being, I know, his performance and the whole atmosphere around him and the music he played song, that tells me that he was right win. And I wish him all the best.
Really wonderful, and it's really great. I'm really happy for him. I swear, I'm so happy for him.
He deserves it. He has a very powerful voice and he definitely knows how to hit those keys.
I feel very good and proud about him. Big up all the time, Dalton. Big up. We love you same way. No matter what the man say, we love you. Big up, Dalton.